These are the basic indicators. These are not any paid indicators. So it's the execution which was the best part about it. Hello guys, how are you doing? This is Arafat from Havenspire. Today I will be sharing my Bank Nifty trade breakdown which I took on 19th November 2020. I was monitoring Bank Nifty for a very long time and I was basically looking for a short trade so I could trade options. I had my levels drawn, and since it was an expiry trade, so I was looking for multiple confirmations and I was being conservative before entering into the market. In my initial analysis, I used some basic tools like uptrend breakdown, support line, moving average, and daily candle. On 13th November, the uptrend line was formed and it was valid until the gap down happened on 19th November around 29,300, and market respected my support level thrice. As you can see, the red arrows marked. For the entire first half, the market was trading high from where it opened, which makes sense because Bank Nifty's daily candle was making its higher wick so it could close lower. This was merely an assumption, but it works most of the time. I took the trade because the uptrend line and the support line, which was at 29,300, was no more valid. Plus, the daily candle was done with the wick and now it was making the body. Since it was expiry, so I didn't want to get trapped in fake outs, so I waited for the support break followed by a retest. And when the next candle was sliding down, just before closing of 5 minutes candle, I entered puts. The analysis was right and the market was moving in my direction, but I was keeping a close eye on my moving average because it always helps me in computing reversals and price momentum. Since I'm in the trade right now, so I was watching my moving average very closely, that is the orange line, which also got respected thrice, as you can see the blue arrows marked. On the third blue arrow, the selling pressure started and it continued for next 20 minutes. Before closing of this green pen bar, I booked my profits and left the market. The conclusion for the entire trade is execution part. Because I used basic indicators in my analysis. I used uptrend line breakdown, I used support line, I used moving average, and I used daily candle. These are the basic indicators. These are not any paid indicators. So it's the execution which was the best part about it. Because since it was expiry, so I waited for the break of support. Then I waited for the retest. Then I waited for the retest break. And when the candle closed below, I entered puts and then I started looking at moving averages. The moving averages were also getting respected, so I had all the confirmations. So I held the trade for next 25 minutes, and I got the movement. And the premium shot up. I booked my profit and left the market immediately. So there's nothing else I have to say about the conclusion. This is it. It's the execution, and it was very basic trade. Thank you guys for watching the video. Kindly like, share, and subscribe.